Hey plant friends, and welcome back to my channel, Planta by Gia, the Nutrition Kitchen. This is Gia Chia, your plant-based nutritionist. I have not posted on my YouTube page in a very long time, but I'm back and we have a really exciting video today. Today we are going on a vegan grocery haul for fast weight loss. I'm talking 10 pounds in 30 to 60 days if you really wanted to follow something like this. So I'm going to take you to the food store. I'm going to show you my meal plan for the next couple of days, show you what I'm getting, and then you can copy and paste this right into your next week and feel amazing. All of these meals are going to be nutrient dense with adequate macro and micronutrients, because you know that's important when you're eating plant-based. A lot of women know what to take out. We know to take out the meat and the dairy, but not necessarily what to put back into our diet. And that causes a lot of issues because then you can become nutrient deficient. I work with women who have been vegan, vegetarian for 7+ years now, dealing with anemia, fatigue, hair loss, skin issues, just things that come with being nutrient deficient. So we don't want to do that. We want to have tons of nutrients. And I'm going to show you what we're going to get today. Let's head to Sprouts. Okay, so I just got to Sprouts. Sprouts is one of my favorite food stores. I usually go to Sprouts or Whole Foods, but I definitely prefer Sprouts. We're all busy, right? All my clients that I work with, women that I talk to, they say, oh, I'm so busy, I don't have enough time to meal plan and prep, and then I end up ordering out and gaining weight. I have the simplest method that I'm going to teach you today that has literally helped me lose over 60 pounds, keep it off. I eat different food every week. I love nachos, tacos, pasta, like all the good stuff, and I learned how to make it healthier in a plant-based version too. So I'll be showing you things like that. I'm going to show you something today. But either way, getting off track, I make meal planning and prepping very easy. Normally I prep for about 3 days ahead. So right now we're going to be getting groceries for the next 3 days. And I'm going to show you what my meal plan looks like. Very basic. I'm going to show you how to get in there and how to get out and make meals quick and reach your weight loss goals. All right, this is what it looks like. So I always look at my breakfast, lunch, and dinners. Obviously, we need to prep all of them. Also, this is going to be pretty cheap too. So I always do a smoothie in the morning. I love smoothies. They're easy. They're great for digestion. So we'll be getting stuff for the smoothie. We're going to be doing lettuce wraps with one of my favorite products. We'll be doing lettuce wraps for lunch. I'm going to be doing a protein bar for my snack in between lunch and dinner. And then we're going to be making some vegan sheet pan fajitas with tofu. So I'll show you what ingredients we need for these. Okay, so this is the first aisle. All these different protein bars. Most of them are junk, to be honest with you. Okay, so there's this brand called Nugo that I really like. They have high amounts, usually anywhere from 17 to 20 grams of protein per bar, and pretty clean ingredients. So I'll normally go with these for this week. There's another company that I order from online. I'll link them down below. But these are the ones you can grab from the food store. They're vegan, and they're delicious too. So. Okay, so I totally forgot to talk about dessert, and I have dessert every night. This week, I think I'm going to be making some sort of Reese's peanut butter cup yogurt protein thing. So we're going to grab some of these. This is a really great plant-based chocolate. Great ingredients. They have all different flavors too. For the tofu fajitas, we're going to need a barbecue sauce. Primal Kitchen's one of my favorites, the cleanest ingredients. So I'm going to grab the mango jalapeno, and we're going to use this. I'm going to grab a big thing of soy milk. I love soy milk. It's the best plant-based milk to have. It's high in protein. You get about 10 grams of protein per cup. And you want to make sure you get this brand. Westlife is awesome. Very clean ingredients. I put the soy milk in my smoothies. There she is, our section for my plant-based babes. All right, every week, if you want a flat stomach and great digestion, you need to have fermented foods. This is my favorite. I love the beet sauerkraut. I'm gonna definitely, I wasn't even showing you. This is my favorite, the beet sauerkraut. I'm definitely grabbing these. These are amazing for gut health. And then for the tofu fajitas, obviously, we're gonna need some tofu. So I like the super firm tofu, extremely high in protein, and you do not have to press it because it's already pressed. For even better digestion, you need to have a few tablespoons of the infamous coconut cult yogurt. It is probiotic condensed and it is delicious. You wanna have 2 to 3 tablespoons of this every morning. Strawberry is my favorite. We're gonna grab strawberry. All right. What are we going next to? So I'll be reducing calories slightly because remember this is a fast weight loss grocery haul. So right now I'm looking for cauliflower rice, and we're gonna do cauliflower rice instead of regular rice this week, just to reduce those calories, but we're still gonna get our protein in and our healthy fats and healthy carbs too. There we go, just the plain cauliflower rice. Okay, so originally I was gonna be going with the Abbott's ground beef. It's delicious in the lettuce wraps. They don't have it here, unfortunately. They only have the chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab seitan. Seitan is a great source of plant-based protein, and it's like literally very, very lean. So we'll do this instead for the lettuce wraps. And I already have sauce at home that I'll be using with those. Lettuce wraps, we are gonna need some beautiful butterhead lettuce. This is my favorite. And they're grown, it's hydroponic grown, so really clean. You're not gonna get bacteria in here. You can do this or you can do a romaine for lettuce wraps. I'm gonna go with the butterhead. There you go, baby. What a beautiful sight to see. Now we need some peppers for our tofu fajitas. Always get organic as much as you can. Stay away from those pesticides. There are definitely still pesticides in there, but less. We'll 100% be getting cilantro. I try to eat cilantro every week. It's great for heavy metal detox. So we'll be putting this with the fajitas and also the lettuce wraps too. The lettuce wraps are going to be more like Asian-y style. I have a some sort of sweet chili sauce at the house that I'm going to use. I'm going to get a nice carrot and I'll chop that up and put that in the lettuce wraps. I've been staying away from these baby carrots because I've seen the processing it goes through and it does not look natural. All right, so we're going to have carrot. You know, Gia needs a jalapeno. I love spicy food. Smoothie girl is going to show you what fruit she likes for her smoothies. All right, so definitely gonna get some wild blueberries. Wild blueberries are great for heavy metal detox. Always need some, I always want the berries, so I'll definitely be getting some strawberries. We'll get some raspberries. And let's see some mango too. Get some mango. So these are all my favorite probiotic drinks. I'll usually get these and these. These ones are okay, but these are my favorite right here. Holy crap. Do not move to Arizona. The seats are hot. Oh my goodness. All right, let's drive home. Okay, so we just got back. As you can see, there are tons of colors here, and eating this way is going to help you to drop a ton of body fat heal your gut and feel really, really good, honestly, in the next couple of days. So we got some fruit for our smoothies. These meals are gonna be protein forward with healthy fats and clean carbs, but they're also gonna be a little bit lower in calories. So instead of regular rice, we got the rice cauliflower, like I told you in the store. Protein sources are gonna be our tofu, seitan, soy milk. I always love doing dessert every night. You will have dessert every night if you work with me. But Catalina Crunch is a great dessert. It's a cereal, and then you can just add it with some soy milk, and that's 20 grams of protein right there. We got the peppers for the fajitas, cilantro. I love having some sort of fruit in the fridge whenever you want to pick on something. Sprouts are awesome because they are very nutrient dense. These actually have more nutrients than the actual vegetable, so I love putting these on my meals. Tons of greens. Greens are great for digestion, so I'll be having those with lunch and dinner. And then this is going to go in our lettuce wraps. And I got some more seltzer water. Spindrift's one of my favorite, all clean ingredients. There's no artificial flavors in here. And then some seasoning. And I'll show you what the meals look like as I make them. But each meal literally is gonna be probably less than 15 minutes or less to make. So it's really quick too, even if you have a busy schedule. So this is one of the meals from our vegan food haul to help you lose weight. We got the seitan meat with the sweet chili sauce, some shredded carrots, cilantro, the sprouts, jalapeno, our sauerkraut, and our butterhead lettuce. I like making this deconstructed dish and then kind of like using my hands to make the wraps. It's really fun. Also, if you want the recipes to some of these, go ahead and comment recipe in the comments and I'll show you. I have actually 12 weeks of high protein plant-based meal plans for only $7. So if you want something like that, comment recipe in the comments. So this is another beautiful meal that I made, tofu fajitas. Literally took me 30 minutes. Got over 25 grams of protein. It's absolutely delicious. It's balanced macronutriently and micronutriently as well. If you want more recipes like this, comment down below the word recipe and I'm gonna send you over my 12 weeks of high protein plant-based meal plans. And if you're looking for more help, one-on-one support to help you on your plant-based weight loss journey, click the link down below, book a call with me, and let's chat. I'm gonna help you reach your health goals, feel amazing with a plant-based diet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will see you on the next video.